Now here I'm just going to talk quickly about setting up an LLC for your business. In this lesson we're going to cover how to set up a limited liability company for your business if you're based in the United States. This step is critical for protecting your personal assets, making your business official and paving the way for the future success. And don't worry about it, it's easy, it's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. So what is an LLC and why do you need it? An LLC stands for a limited liability company. It separates your personal assets from your business assets. It protects you if your business is sued or faces legal action. Only your business assets are at risk, not your personal belongings. And an LLC is available in most countries in the world. Sometimes they have a different name, but it's a good idea if you want to protect your business to use this model. The benefits of forming an LLC: it makes your business more official and legitimate. Some companies and clients won't work with you unless you're an LLC. It provides you with an EIN, Employer Identification Number, which acts as your business's tax ID, and it encourages you to take your business seriously as you're legally formalising it. So how to set up your LLC? Most states in the US charge a filing fee of about $100 to $150, which is either a one-time fee or an annual payment depending on the state. You can use an online service. Now the one that I recommend is Bizee, which is BIZEE, to simplify the process. It's free to use. They will try to upsell you when you set it up. Just decline these extras if you want to keep your costs to a minimum. The form is quick, it's easy, and it only takes a few minutes to complete. Once it's submitted, you will receive your official LLC documentation within a few hours. The alternative option is you can file directly through your state's website, but this is usually a bit more complex. What you will need is your business name and a filing fee. The next thing that you will need to do is set up a business bank account, because you want to show that the business is a separate entity, therefore it needs a bank account. This keeps your business finances separate from your personal finances, and most banks don't charge extra fees to open a bank account. All income from your business should go into this account. Now once the funds have gone into your business account, you pay yourself by transferring the funds to your personal account. Now do not use your business account for personal expenses and start using it willy-nilly. Then if things go bad, they can argue that you're using it as a personal bank account, therefore your personal assets could be at risk. So don't do that. This is not financial advice, I'm not a lawyer. This is just some generic advice that you might want to take into consideration. Now why is this important? It makes bookkeeping and tax filing easier. It adds professionalism to your business, and some payment processes like Stripe require a business bank account. So the first thing you need to do is form your LLC. You can use that service like Bizee or file through your state's website. Avoid the upsells if you're setting it up through Bizee. Get your LLC documentation and your EIN number. Open the business bank account. Go to your preferred bank or set it up online. Use your LLC documentation and EIN to create the account. Ensure that all business payments flow through this account to stay organised. And then you can start using your LLC. Update your business records with your LLC name and EIN. Use your LLC name and contracts, invoices, and when working with clients to establish credibility. Key takeaways: setting up an LLC is a simple but essential step of protecting your personal assets and making your business legitimate. It'll only cost you $100 to $150 depending on your state. Do open up a separate bank account and pay yourself. I like to pay myself once a week into my personal accounts, and I put it down as drawings to keep everything separate. And we've talked about the long-term benefits. Forming an LLC not only protects your assets, but it also helps you take the business seriously and opens more doors to more opportunities. So now you know how to set up an LLC. It's time to take action. Don't let this step hold you back. It's a small investment that'll pay off in the long run by protecting your assets and making your business more professional. Once your LLC is set up, you're ready to take your business to the next level. If you want to find more information like this about setting up your lawn care business, you can join my Lawn Mowing 101 community. It's free. Just click the link below the video and learn how to scale your lawn care business up to 10k without employing anybody or spending a ton on ads. And also don't forget to click like if you like this video and subscribe. And until I see you next time, get out there, mow lawns and have fun, and I'll see you in the next video.